Hello dear fans. What is ontogeny? Ontogenesis is the process of development of all living things from the moment of conception to death. Ontogenesis is studied by developmental biology, and its earliest stages are the subject of study of a separate science, embryology. The term ontogeny is derived from the ancient Greek words ontos, being, and genesis, origin. This term is called the independent development of the organism from the moment of fertilization of the egg, during sexual reproduction, or from the moment of separation of the new organism from the mother, during asexual reproduction, until the end of life. The concept of ontogeny was introduced into circulation by the German naturalist E. Haeckel in 1889. In multicellular animals, the phases of embryonic, inside an egg, or seed of a plant, and post-embryonic development are distinguished in ontogenesis. In viviparous animals, similar developmental stages are called perinatal ontogenesis, before birth, and postnatal, after birth. In the process of ontogenesis, the genetic information received by the body from the parents is realized. Embryonic development of the body consists of three main stages: cleavage, gastrulation, and primary organogenesis. Cleavage is a series of successive divisions of a fertilized or egg cell initiated for development. This stage ends with the formation of the so-called single-layer embryo, or blastula. In the process of gastrulation, cell masses move and layers of cells, germ layers, are formed. Primary organogenesis is a stage in the formation of axial organs. In different animals, this process has separate features. For example, in chordates during primary organogenesis, the formation of the cord, neural tube and intestine occurs. Further embryonic development is determined by the processes of growth, differentiation, development of specialized cells, and morphogenesis, formation of the embryo in the image and likeness of the parents. Post-embryonic ontogenesis is almost always accompanied by active growth. Post-embryonic development is also divided into direct and indirect. With direct development, characteristic of birds, reptiles, and mammals, the born organism is identical to the adult in structure. The indirect development inherent in insects and amphibians suggests a significant difference in structure and lifestyle between an adult and a young organism, larva, of the same species. Thanks for watching.